You can't talk me na me mouth. Me say where me feel fi say, you see.
So me tell them, 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 so me tell them strictly. Feel say you bad, then touch me now, lick me. Touch a button up if you feel me a pick me. Take it real smooth, so me dog move swiftly, swiftly. I know nothing, do something. Touch one of me friend, now your head off it go up. Doctor try to patch him up, but can't solve the puzzle. Chop it in a half, treat the head like mutton. Head gone, up close and personal, so you're dead gone. Left him brain in the street, left him on the front lawn. Cause me pop it off, yeah me pop it off. Me you're dead through your gal right in me cocky soft. To pussy clock, I know my fault. So she tired of the work and she want fuck the boss draws. Me fly it off, then she suck it off. Say she want the big black man, I know Ricky boss. You want to fuck up my mood. Me a fuck your girl, so what you can't do? Yeah, you a buy her shoes, but me a knock her boots. Put your money over girl, that mean you can't lose. Look, it bring me calm, pussy bring me calm, pussy bring me calm, but it nah bring me down, yeah. It bring me calm, pussy bring me calm, pussy bring me calm, but it nah bring me down, yeah. Something like a slurpee, baby girl no hurt me. So she want it all night, even bright and early. Red bone with a ring pon her tongue. Nice pretty face with her hair well done. She no care she have a man, cause she a game bun. Him nah ride alright, she want ride all night. So she call pon the man we can't ride like bike. And me make she feel so she can't fly like kite. But as soon as me come she gone. Even though she say me a the only man she want. I wonder what she take me for. No must a fool, a donkey or a mule. If she a fuck me and she there with you, well then that means she will do me the same thing too. That's why me no trust them, me no cuff them. Enough girl have another man a fuck them. Don't you fuck up my mood. Me a fuck your girl, so